This conference will now be recorded.
And starting the screen sharing.
Okay.
So basically, in this session, I will show you how to set up an environment for Python. Start learning it. Uh, so in Python, there are two versions actually. One is with name 2 dot, and whatever the minor version, let's say it is x, just to say it is a variable, whether it is 10 or 11 or anything. Another one is 3.x. 2.x is uh, stagnant now. No one is using much. Means
Okay.
the Python team stopped development of that one, but still many projects are still using. So that's why the download and installations are available. So
Okay.
Uh, for the new projects or the future projects, it's better to use 3.x version only.
Okay.
So there will be some minor syntax change from 2.x to 3.x and some libraries also. You just need to migrate them. So
Okay.
see, this is 2.x, 2.7.1, right? The major version is 2.
Right.
Yeah. So I will install Python 3. So just click on Python. You will go to this, leave all this Python institutes and I'll go to this python.org.
Okay.
Hmm? This is the main site. And here, if you go to the download section, earlier there is one more button here as Python 2 dot something. Now it is only 3.8 is available.
Okay.
If you need a 2.x version, you need to go to the download archives. So many other internal links you need to go. You need to
Okay.
like this. You need to check Python 2 download. Then it will go to it an alternative links like this, release 2.0, and from there you can download.
Okay.
But in the home page, they are keeping only 3.8 version. If you go to downloads, understood?
Yeah.
And 3. From above 3.5 version, the Windows XP support is not there. You can go to the full list of downloads here. It will show. Okay.
Okay.
And earlier, there is a separate installers for 32 and 64 also. Now let me install this.
Okay.
When you double click this, you see this option to add to the path, right?
Path.
Check that
Yes.
one. So when you check this one, the folder where this Python will get installed, that entry will be added there. But present I am not checking that because I want to show you that manually.
Okay.
Just to go to the default installations. Okay, it's a 32-bit one. It's not a 64. It's a 32-bit one. So for your development, 32 or 64, anything is fine.
Okay.
For 64, you need to download separately by searching that. Previously, we used to get both two different versions as 32 or 64. Python 3 64-bit. Now it is single one. You should not go to these third-party websites. You should directly download from the Python website only.
Okay.
Now it's installed. So once I installed, if you go to the command prompt and type Python, you see that it's not available. It's trying to search in the market store, and from there it is
Oh,
trying to, because it didn't detect that application. First of all,
okay.
we already installed it. It is not showing that. So that's why what we need to do is go to the my computer and click on this properties. We'll go to this advanced system settings. Click on this environment variables. This is user section of variable. Go to the system section so that you will get for all the users. Or first you see where the Python got installed. Understood?
Okay.
Open file location. We see it installed in C users app data
Update.
folder, right?
Right.
Now this is shortcut. Go to the file. Still it is in the users app data only. So this is user
Okay.
specific folder. It won't be available
Okay.
for other users. So you
Right.
can just add this entry to the user variable. That is enough.
Oh,
Understood? So
yeah.
when I so in this folder, what are available? You can see this python 3.exe is available in this folder. I added this to the environment variable, right? So as
Right.
soon as I open my command prompt, uh, if I type echo percentage path, you see that folder will be available somewhere here. C users, C Windows apps, something. Now you type Python here. Still it didn't detect it. Okay, still I didn't press OK. Maybe that because of that one. 3.8. And one more thing is, along with that, you need to add these tools also. Not tools, scripts. Scripts folder also you need to add because PIP is a
Okay.
tool for installing third-party libraries.
Okay.
So we add that also subfolder. Understood?
Yeah.
So now open the command prompt and type Python. Still it is trying to see that why. Go percentage path. It's added.
So you need to add it to system variable or user variable.
No. Even with user variables also it should detect. See, it's able to detect. But here what happening is, you see there is one more python.exe in the Windows apps.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
It's trying to launch that one, and that one might be it is launching that Windows apps Python folder. So when you click on this python.exe, you see the store is opening, right?
Right. Right.
So it is trying to fetch from here. That's why that window is coming. So what we will do is, in this list, this Python should be in the top. So our Python will launch. So you
Okay.
go to this path and keep this Windows apps uh, in the down, or just click on move on. Understood?
Okay. Okay.
Now our Python will execute because our Python will be given preference now. Right? You see? See, if you type
Okay.
Python hyphen version, it's showing the version. If you directly
Right.
open Python here, it will open a prompt here, and you can write the one line comments here directly. Here it is not echo, it's print function. Understood?
Yeah.
Exit will come here. This is the for one line. For if you are having multiple lines, you need to use the shortcut idle.
Right.
Okay, it comes by default with the Python installation. You click on new file, it will open here, uh, and you can write some code. And the extension of the program will be .py. Understood? So I
Yeah.
saved it in the desktop. So to run that one, click on this run and run module. It will show the output here.
Mm. That's it
Understood?
only one. I mean, just don't no need to give any headers or ending anything.
No, see, headers and all will be there in the C language because by default you need to import every each and every functionality there. But here
Correct.
by default it will be keeping some libraries with it. with the runtime.
Okay.
And one more thing you
Okay.
observe is it is not a compiled language; it is a
Hmm.
interpreted language. Because here,
Okay.
when I execute this one, you are not
Hmm.
getting any exe file. You are not getting
Hmm.
any exe or DLL.
Okay.
Uh, so uh, this is how it will execute.
Okay.
Um, so this is just for an overview I want to show you. I
Yeah.
will show you some other references from your practice. You just try to use that one. First of all, try to set up your environment till here, okay? And we'll get
Okay.
back after that.
Okay.
Okay, I'll end the meeting.
Okay.